Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, July 15th, 2013, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, today was a wild day. You know, the Dow Jones Industrial Average really didn't go anywhere, ended up closing up only 19 points. So if you look at that overall market, it just looks like not too much happened. Let me tell you, in this portfolio of ours, we had absolutely wild action in some markets today. And, you know, I have to pat myself a little bit on the back because I have worked very hard to develop a portfolio that really works with this kind of system that we trade. We need volatility, and boy, we saw some volatility today. Just had a great day, as a matter of fact. We closed out over $17,000 in closed out trades, and we're carrying over $20,000 in open trade equity. This is like, you know, total over $37,000 there, and on a day that the Dow Jones only gives up 19 points, we have a volatile portfolio, and volatility is what we need to make money with our particular style of trading. I have some really interesting charts, so let's stop and take a look at those.
Okay, we're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average here for the last 3 days, and you remember we had this big run up here. I think that was 167 points or something like that. Maybe it was even more than that. I can't quite remember. Anyway, and then yesterday we had some pullback, ended up closing pretty much neutral though, and today it's just more flattening out basically. Some uptrend here today, but nothing much. As I say, we closed, the Dow Jones closed out up only 19 points. Now let me show you some of the stuff that was happening in our portfolio today. Pretty extraordinary. I don't want to be accused of always showing positive trades. We get into some bad trades, and this was one of them. This was in DGAZ, that's Velocity Shares, and Velocity Shares is basically a short on natural gas, and we got into this early in the day. At one time it was real positive up here. I was listing it among one of our really good markets for the day, and then it just totally collapsed here. We're still holding this thing, unfortunately, and it's down about $3,600. Normally we get a trade like that, and it's going to really affect our trading for the day, and it hardly had any effect today. We were having such good markets today that I hardly even noticed this dog in the pile here. I'll show you one of the great markets we had today, and this is in our old friend CSIQ, Canadian Solar, which Canadian Solar has really been hot for us lately. Anyway, we got into this at the end of the day yesterday, just caught this at the end, and this thing took off today, and it just kept going. I mean, almost a straight line there. We're up over $8,000 on Canadian Solar, and so, you know, that really looks great. I'll show you another one, since I'm talking today more, but you know we had a great day. We, as I say, close to $37,000 today. It hardly can get much better than that, but let's see here. I'm sorry, I have to fumble around here just a little, and I want to, it's Unipixel. Okay, Unipixel. Now this is volatility, and even though this was not a good trade, we like to see volatility, and we jumped into Unipixel yesterday about halfway through the day, and then we get into this today. I can't believe this. When it was up here, I looked down at my profit loss thing. We're up over $4,000 on Unipixel. Then it reverses. It comes down here. We're down over $3,000 on Unipixel. And then it comes up here, and we finally get out. And we got out for a huge profit of $120. So we had a swing from positive $4,000 and negative $3,000. Ended up with a slight positive of $120. That's pretty wild trading. But anyway, wild trading or not, it was a great day for us. You know, pretty close to one of the best days we've had all year. And we did it on a day the Dow Jones Industrials only made 19 points. Great way to start the week. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Tuesday.